Part 2, Introduction to Laser Machine Products. Laser machines are divided into three categories: CO2 laser machines, fiber laser machines, and ultraviolet laser machines. Various types of lasers are commonly used to print on many different kinds of products. For example, CO2 lasers are generally used to print on paper materials such as cartons and paper boxes. Fiber laser machines. Of course, fiber laser machines are mainly used for printing on materials like plastic, iron, and stainless steel. Conveyor platform. Let me talk about the models of CO2 laser machines. There are 4 models of CO2 laser machines currently available for sale: 3210, 3140, 3350, and 3040. Each model has a different power. The 3640 is 60 W, while the 3350, 3210, and 3140 are 30 W units. The 3210 is an all-in-one. The system's controller and its laser are seamlessly combined together into a single, compact, and unified housing structure. The 3140 is a 10-watt machine with a power output of 10 watts. Fiber laser machine CO2 models like 10W and 20W include 7270, 7230, and 7330. The 20W and 30W units are 7340 and 7440, while 50W to 100W models use 7510 and 7610. This is my new 30-watt model, C7739. In addition, there are 2 power options. One is 5 watts and one is 10 watts. The 5-watt one is C7710 and the 10-watt one is C7720. All right, let's take a look at the base materials used by CO2 laser machines. As I mentioned to you earlier, the main materials are various types of paper, such as regular paper, photo paper, cardboard, and even wood. Since wood is also made from paper, it can be marked as well. For metals, it can mark on coated metals, and for PVC materials, it can also mark, but there are certain requirements for the material. It must be PVC. It can also mark on paper boxes and glass. Metal. Packaging boxes made of metal, metal packaging boxes, pharmaceutical aluminum foil. There are also soluble packaging materials, soluble packaging. Then as for fiber laser machines, the substrates they use. One is for food and beverage, such as the boxes for food and beverages. Another is for electronic products, specifically electronic components. Stainless steel. Also bottle caps, metal caps, and plastic. You are talking about adhesive label tags and plastic cans. Bottle caps, plastic bottle caps. For aluminum foil applications, both CO2 and fiber lasers can be used. CO2 can also mark aluminum foil. Both CO2 and fiber work. As for soluble packaging, it's possible that CO2 and for fiber lasers, it really depends on the material. It depends specifically on the material. Okay, right position laser machine, it's used for machine materials. The cover on the switch cover, also fuses glass earphones and silicone wafers. Soft silicone tubing, PTPT bottle materials, and also HDPE materials. Soluble packaging. Masks are mainly suitable for this many types.